video, okay? Tapos tingin naman kayo dito ah.
Sarap?
So, matikman? Kamu? Ma'am, what you do for a living?
Natulog.
Pag nagutong pa ako, mabilis.
Kaya remember kayo dyan, team. Video. Si Biba nakikinig din eh.
So we talk about what you can see at the bottom of the flag. Everything happened June the 5th. June the 5th, 1568. So this was not Belgium. Remember, this was the Spanish kingdom of the Netherlands. Spanish kingdom of the Netherlands.
Video.
Spanish Kingdom.
Something that continues nowadays from Philippine Islands. That's why Philippine Islands have its name because of Philip II in Spain. And you can imagine the king of Spain was absolutely Catholic first, right? Absolutely Catholic. But behind me you can see this castle. Brussels, this castle was Egmont. Egmont is the one with the hat corner. Right next to Egmont you can see Horn. These two characters were born in what is nowadays Holland. So they were Catholic people living in Brussels, but in a moment they started to support the Protestant Reformation to the church. So somebody in the royal family dividing the church from inside. You can imagine that these two cousins didn't have the best relationship you can imagine, especially in the moment when they started the Brussels Inquisition. Remember the Inquisition, guys? Remember the Inquisition? You know what I mean when I say Inquisition? Inquisition, there was the Spanish Inquisition, Italian, Portuguese, French Inquisition. In that moment, Egmont behind me, he wrapped his pen and ink, a piece of paper, and he started writing letters to the king and saying, oh, Philip II, you know my cousin, you know, in Spain, you know my cousin, you know my cousin, and you are the king in Spain, but here in Brussels, people don't feel very comfortable with this public judgment of yours. Is that okay for you if we meet somewhere to talk about it? The king answers back in another letter, yes, Egmont, my cousin, brother, of course, you have my house. And then the question can go there, the house of the king can stay there, and before you can talk about it. No problem. They go together. So this symbol, when they're hugging each other, is a symbol of hope. You open the curtains in the house of the king the next morning, you see Philip II coming all the way from Spain, all the way to those years to talk about it. Obviously not. Somebody else. And in the middle of the flag you can read Earl of Panalba. You can read Duke d'Alba, Duque de Alba, Fernando Álvarez de Toledo. He met them in like from Plaza Brazos. Duke d'Alba knocked his door, their door, and he told them, knock, knock.
Kuya.
Anong kainan? 15 minutes. 15.
Hindi ko maabot.
Guys!
Live na.
Ay, video siya. Video siya. Hi.
Ikot kayo, ikot sa kabila. Dito, dito,
Ay,
dito.
ikot. Ay, oo, maganda. Ikot.
Doon. Ayan. Guys, ayan.
Ay,
Hi.
oh, sorry.
Hi.
Ay, tuloy ako sa time.
Ayan.
Sorry.
Galaw kayo, video to.
Hindi, ikot ka. Ikot kami.
Oh.
Yan, susunda ka namin sa pagitan ko. Pero pa... Okay na yun. Oh, tingnan mo siya.